I studied here for 2 years. Last year I did hairdressing and now I'm on a level 3 sport course. I live in Helsham. It's quite easy to travel to college because I drive now. Last year I got the bus, which was only about a 25-minute journey, which was an alright journey, but you've got the station just round the corner, so it's not a far walk from the station if you have to travel from a far way either. I like studying here because the teachers are very cooperative with you. They're really interested in your opinion and they help you a lot, and it's very friendly, so if you need help at any point, anyone's open to help you with anything, and everyone's really nice and we all get along, as a class we all get along really well. This year they've helped me quite a lot, just with personal things maybe, you just go to them and then if they feel like they can't help you in a situation, they will give, they'll offer you other help and send you to another person who will also help you with stuff like that. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's a nice, friendly environment and you can get along easily with a lot of people. Yeah, I just think it's a good college. I would definitely recommend it.